So here are the answers. Fairly straightforward other than that last one. This last one is a trick because it tells you the concentration of a base, but asks you for pH. So you're going to use the pOH formula, negative log concentration of the base. Will give you 1.7 as your pOH, your power of hydroxide. To get your pH, you're going to do 14 minus 1.7 to get 12.3. Other than that, no other tricks. 2 more examples, and then you're free. Sodium hydroxide solution is prepared. A sodium hydroxide solution. This is one of our bases that split Na and OH become aqueous. They ionize and dissociates into 2 ions. We're dissolving 6 grams in a volume of 1.00 liters. We want to know the pH, and the pOH. So, step 1. I need the concentration of NaOH in moles per liter. Alright. So, I have mass. I want molar mass of NaOH. Anytime of giving mass, I want the number of moles. So, sodium plus oxygen plus hydrogen, 40. So that means my number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. That is 6, 40. .15 moles of NaOH. Well, that's not concentration. Concentration is equal to moles divided by volume. 0.15 mole, and I've been told that it's 1 liter. 0.15 moles per liter. Step 2. I want to know what the concentration of hydroxide is. I can take a look at my balanced chemical equation. Every time sodium hydroxide hits the water, it's going to dissociate. It's going to split into its 2 ions. Hydroxide is one of the ions. Every 1 NaOH donates 1 OH to solution. The concentration of NaOH is going to equal the concentration of OH. Therefore, the concentration of OH is going to be 0.15 moles per liter. For step 3, I want to know, in this case, since I have the concentration of hydroxide, I'm going to get the power of hydroxide, pOH. pOH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of OH, negative log of 0.15. .8239 to get pH. That's going to be 14 minus pOH, 13. In my question, I was told only 2 significant digits. The pH is 13.18, and the pOH is to 2 significant digits, 0.82. The last question says 1 milliliter of 1 mole per liter HCl is diluted to 500 milliliters. What's the new pH? So for number 2. I have a dilution problem. My initial concentration is 1.0 mole per liter. My initial volume is 1.0 milliliters. My final volume is 500 milliliters. I would need to know what my final concentration is, and I'll use that concentration to figure out my pH. Formula for dilution: C1V1 equals C2V2, or in this case final. I've got 1.0 mole per liter. In this case I can leave it as milliliters because both of the volumes are in milliliters. It won't matter. If you change them both to liters, you won't have any problems either. You just have an extra step. So that leaves my final volume as 1 milliliter divided by 500.